Good morning, 9th class students. So we are discussing the lesson, the natural realms of the earth. So we have discussed in the last class, the natural realms of the earth is divided into 4 parts or 4 types. Okay, so what are they? So first one is lithosphere, second one is hydrosphere, third one is atmosphere, and the fourth one is biosphere. Okay, so all these are we are discussed in the last class. Okay, and we also discussed about the different kinds of landforms. Okay, so first order landforms, second order landforms, third order landforms. Okay, so we all are discussed in the last class. So now in this class, part 2, we discuss the jigsaw puzzle and the moving plates. Okay. So the jigsaw puzzle. Okay. So the jigsaw puzzle and the moving plates. So this is today's topic, part 2. Okay, so in the first chapter we saw how many continents, okay, how many continents, okay, located, and how the continents, okay, are pieces of jigsaw puzzle. Okay, so due to the jigsaw puzzle, how the continents are pieces in different types. Okay, so here all the continents are separated from Earth. It takes some millions of years of time. So I have already told you. So at that time, the Earth is divided into only 2 land masses, Angara land and Gondwana land. So due to the rotation of the plates, due to the movements of the plates, okay, so here all the continents are separated from the Earth, and it takes some millions of years of time. So it will not take 1 day, 2 days, 1 month or 1 year. So this process will take some millions of years of time. Okay, so before all the continents were held together, and how they broke off and gradually drifted and came to their present place. Okay, so they are separated. So it will take some millions of years. But before, all the continents were held together. All the continents are held together, and how they are broke up, and how gradually they are drifted and came to the present place, and how they are came to the present place. So all these are happening due to the rotation of the plates. Okay, so due to the movement of the Earth. Okay, so after years of careful study, the geologists concluded that all the continents, okay, and even oceans also, all the continents and even oceans also are situated on the massive rocks called plates. Okay, so after years of time, okay, so our scientists or our geologists, they are carefully studied, okay, and they concluded that, okay, the continents, even the oceans also, okay, continents and even the oceans also are situated on the massive rocks called plates. Okay, so in this way, there are 6 major plates are there on the Earth. How many plates are there? 6 major plates. Okay, the 6 major plates are there. Okay, on the earth surface. Okay, so they are, okay, I'll note down. There are 6 major plates are there on the earth. Okay, the first one is African plates. Second one is North American plates. Third one is South American plates. Fourth one is Indo-Australian plates. And fifth one is Eurasian plates. And sixth one is Pacific plates. Students, all of you note down. All of you maintain one long notebook. Okay, so in that notebook, what I am teaching in the classroom, in the online class, you have to note down the important points. Okay, so here, okay, so there are, how many plates are there? There are 6 major plates on the earth. Okay, so what are they? First one is African plates. Second one is North American plates. Third one is South American plates. Okay, fourth one is Indo-Australian plates. Fifth one is Eurasian plates. And sixth one is Pacific plates. So in this way, on the earth surface, there are 6 major plates are there. Okay, so these plates are actually float on the mantle. So all the plates are float on the mantle. Okay, so they are constantly pushed and moving slowly. Okay, so they are constantly pushing and moving slowly. Okay, so they move so slow that we can't feel the movement. So the earth's plates are moving so slowly, but we can't feel the movement. So this movement of plates is called plate tectonics. Write down, students, plate tectonics. So here the plate tectonics is nothing but the movement of plates is called plate tectonics. Okay, so this is all about the jigsaw puzzle and the moving plates. Okay, so once again I am repeating. So in the first chapter we saw, okay, how many continents are located. Okay, and how the continents are pieces with the jigsaw puzzle. Okay, so here all the continents are separated from Earth. So due to the jigsaw puzzle, okay, so all the continents are separated from the Earth. So it takes some millions of years of time. So it will not take 1 day, 2 days, or 1 month, or 1 year. So it is the long process. So it takes some millions of years of time. Okay. So before all continents were held together. So before all the continents are united or they are held together. And how they broke up and how gradually they are drifted and came to their present place. Okay. So, before all the continents are united. Okay, and before that they are separated. Then how they are broke up and how they are come together in one place. So, all these are we discussing. So, after years of careful study, okay, so some geologists concluded that all the continents, okay, and even the oceans are also situated on the massive rocks called plates. The massive rocks are called plates. Okay, listen carefully. So after years of time, they are researched. Okay, after the careful study, the geologists concluded that all the continents, even the oceans, are situated on the massive rocks is called plates. Okay, so in this way there are 6 major plates are there on the earth surface. How many plates are there? 6 major plates are there. So what are they? I'll write down. First one is African plates. Second one is North American plates. Third one is South American plates. Fourth one is Indo-Australian plates. Fifth one Eurasian plates. Eurasian. Sixth one Pacific plates. So these are the 6 plates. Okay. So these plates actually float on the mantle. Okay. So all the 6 plates are float on the mantle. Okay. So they are constantly pushed and moving very slowly. Okay. And they move so slowly that we can't feel the movement. So this movement of plates is called the plate tectonics. So this movement of plate is called what? Plate tectonics. Okay, all of you clear? Okay. And next topic is sea floor spreading. Okay, so the next topic is sea floor spreading. Okay, so the geologists discover mountain ridges or ranges under some oceans like the Pacific Ocean. So under the ocean, so generally the earth is divided into 7 continents and 5 oceans. Okay, so what are the 5 oceans? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and 5th one is Antarctic Ocean. So in the Pacific Ocean, okay, some geologists discover under the water. So that is in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so here the geologists discover. So what they have discovered? The mountain ridges or ranges under some oceans like the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so these are formed by lava. So these are formed by lava. Okay, so in the ocean also lava is there. So they are burst. Okay, so inside the water. Okay, so these are formed by lava rising up from the mantle. Okay, so the mid-ocean ridges contain the newest crust formed on the planet. So in this way, okay, under the oceans, okay, so here the mid-ocean ridges, okay, so this is the mid-ocean ridges contain the newest crust formed on the planet. So these ridges are widening in the ocean basin. So these ridges gradually they are widening. Okay, so in the floor of the ocean basin. Okay, so this is called sea floor spreading. This is called what? Sea floor spreading. All of you clear? So once again I am repeating. Sea floor spreading. So here geologists discover mountain ridges or ranges under the sea water. Okay, and what is the sea or ocean? That ocean name was Pacific Ocean. The ocean name is what? Pacific Ocean. So here they found what? Some mountain ridges or ranges. So these are formed by the lava. So whenever the lava is burst under the water, so at that time, okay, the smoke dust will become outside and they form like high ranges, high mountains in the ocean level also. So these are formed by lava rising up from the mantle. Okay. The mid-ocean ridges contain the newest crust formed on the planet. Okay, so these ridges are day by day, these are widening and spread in the ocean basin. So this is called the sea floor spreading. Okay, all of you clear, student? Okay, so once again revise well. Okay, underline the hard words in your textbook with pencil. Okay, maintain one notebook and write the important points. Okay, so this is the part 2. So the part 3 we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.